that floods my soul. Something happened, and now I know He touched me and made me whole. Since I met His blessed Savior, since His cleansed and made me whole, I will never cease to praise Him, to praise Him. I'll shout it while eternity rolls. Oh, He touched me. Oh, He touched me. And oh, the joy that floods my soul. Something happened, and now I know He touched me and made me whole. Floods my soul. Something